Radha, if you don't come out, I will leave you and go. Okay, have fun. I'm leaving. These are Radha's bangles. Radha? Radha! Radha! Radha!
Let me get that. It might be our Mohan's call. Oh gosh, have mercy on us. Hello?
Hello. This is Radha's grandma speaking. I have been trying to call her, but I can't get through. Can you let me speak to her, please?
How can I get her to speak with you? Your granddaughter has disappeared.
What?
What are you saying?
I am telling her what her granddaughter is up to. Listen! Your granddaughter didn't run alone. She has taken our Mohan also along.
Sister!
Why are you stopping me? Ma'am, we are not even aware where she has taken our Mohan. At least she should have told us that where she is going. Is this what you have taught her?
Why did you have to say all this? Now they will also get worried about this.
Yeah, so let them worry. Are we all less worried here?
What is it, Mom?
They said that our Radha took Mohan and went somewhere.
What?
This is what I feared.
It's not wrong if they get a little worried about them.
Sister! From what I know about Radha, she won't do anything like that.
That's the whole point, Kaddu. I mean to say, Kadambari, that's the whole point. This new girl who came just yesterday, how much do we know her? Who knows what must be going on around in her mind?
Mom, you please don't worry. Radha is just not with Mohan. Our Lord Krishna is with her too. He'll take care of everything.
That's what I hope. But I'm feeling nervous. Hope Radha is not in some trouble.
Hey! 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 Hey, just stop! Get hold of her. She's moving too much. Hey, come on, give me the sedatives. That will stop her fidgeting. Take this.
No!
Don't move or else I'll kill you. Hey, what are you looking at? Hit him!
Mohan, look behind!
What are you doing? We were told that nobody should be harmed.
What do we do then?
Radha, go away from here.
No, Mohan, I just can't leave.
Radha, run away from here.
You have slit a vein in your arm. You are bleeding so much. Mohan, you are bleeding so much. Who told you to do all this? Mohan, that medicine box must be in your car. Let's go and I will patch you up. Why can't I get through, Mohan?
You won't get through his number. Just as in Dwapar Yug, Rukmini had abducted Lord Krishna. Just as that two-footed Radha has abducted your Mohan with her. Now everything is ruined.
Everything will be ruined when Mohan finds out that the plan was to kidnap Gungun. I don't understand why that fool said to me that they found the girl. Because Gungun is here at home.
Damini? Just don't worry, dear. Mohan will be back with us soon. Please don't worry.
Mom, you just don't worry. Mohan is not a kid. It's not like he'll get lost if he steps out of the house. Just don't worry. He will be back.
Please don't worry. I'll try and look for him. If I don't look for him, who else will look for him?
If you want, I will ask the police force to look for Mohan. Thieves and murderers won't dare to harm him. Let's ask the police to leave every work aside and focus on one person. Our respectable Mr. Mohan Trivedi's protection. Am I right?
Just go to your room, Rahul.
It's been a long time since they left. God knows where they must be.
They both? Do you mean Radha and Mohan? By the way, how are you so sure that they are together?
I mean, if they both are missing, they must be together.
I'm sure she has done something.
Be careful, Mohan. So much blood. Who told you to do all this? I would have done it somehow. It's okay. Mohan, I'll make it better at once. Let's go. We will go to the doctor at once.
No. First, let me put the nest up.
No. Let's move from here. Come on.
Once the house is placed, we will go.
Okay. I will go and do it. I'll do it. You wait here. I have set up the house again. Are you okay? Let's go to the doctor now. You're bleeding a lot.
Let's go.
Let's go. It hurts a lot. Yes, I know. Mohan! 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 Open your eyes! Mohan, open your eyes. Talk to me. Mohan, please open your eyes and talk to me, please. Gungun is waiting for you at home. Mohan, please, let's go home. Please get up, Mohan. Mohan, think of Gungun. Your daughter needs you, Mohan. To love her, to pamper her. She needs everything. And she needs her dad too. Please, come on, get up, Mohan. Mohan! Is anyone around? Help me! Please help me! Anyone's there? Please help me! Lord Krishna, please help me, please! Show me a way to save Mohan's life! Help me! Please show me a way, my Lord! Lord Krishna!
please open your eyes, Mohan. We will be home soon. We will be with Gungun. Mohan, please get up. Open your eyes, Mohan. Mohan, remember all the things you wrote in the letter to Gungun. You wanted to tell her how much you loved her. Mohan, open your eyes, please. We will be home in no time, Mohan. Grandma! Ma'am, sir, come soon! Radha?
Mohan? Mohan!
Please
Mohan?
call the doctor. Mohan is wounded.
What did you do?
Mohan, Mohan.
Why did you take our Mohan? What did you do?
I didn't do anything, Grandma. The goons were chasing me. And they attacked Mohan.
Yes, come soon. Take him to the room quickly.
What happened to Mohan? How did he get hurt?
Quickly, be careful, be careful.
Mohan!
How did this happen? What did you do?
Sister Damini, I told you. Some goons tried to kidnap me and Mohan fought with them.
What? Which goons? Why would anyone kidnap you?
That's what I am wondering, Damini sister. Why would anyone try to kidnap me? Mohan!
Stay away from Mohan. Do you get that?
Doctor, why doesn't Mohan wake up? Is he okay?
His vein got slit. He has lost a lot of blood. It's good that someone bandaged his wound that saved him from losing more blood. Otherwise anything could have happened. The one who bandaged his wound saved his life.
Radha?
This Radha has come to our family as a goddess. Every time, on every occasion, she protects us always. First it was Gungun and now it's Mohan.
All this while, I kept forgiving you for your mischiefs, thinking that you are still a child. But today you have crossed all your limits, Gungun. Just because of your prank today, see how badly Mohan is hurt. Had anything happened to Mohan today, then you should not have done this, Gungun. I am very angry with you. Very angry.
Gungun, this is very bad. Even I will not support you today.
I don't understand how to thank you. By saving Mohan, you have done me a huge favor. I can never repay it back to you. What did you do? I didn't do anything. The goons did this, sister. I told you, right? And Damini, sister, while the goons were taking me away, they were speaking to someone over the phone. Did you hear what they said? Yes. They said they had found the child. I think someone sent them on purpose to do this. Listen, Radha, everyone is angry with you. Everyone thinks Mohan is in this condition because of you. I understand that you saved Mohan's life. I know for once you can hurt yourself, but not Mohan. Someone must have done all this for money. That doesn't seem to be the case. Radha, everyone is already angry with you. If you go and tell them this, they will get even angrier. Forget it all. As it is, Gungun is behind this. She should be scolded. Let me talk to her. Sister Damini. Gungun is a child. She made a mistake. The poor girl didn't even know all this would happen. And right now you are angry. If you say something mean to her in anger, she'll get scared. It's necessary to make Gungun realize her mistake. But don't do it angrily. Do it with love.
Mohan? Oh gosh, what happened to our son Mohan? Oh, finally, our Mohan has woken up! Nattu! Damini! Mohan has come around!
Mohan! No, Radha. You don't go. Let me speak to Mohan.
Mohan, how are you, dear?
Mohan,
Are you okay? Where is Gungun?
What?
She's in her room. But how are you feeling now?
Nothing has happened to me.
Mohan,
Mohan,
hey,
my
where
son.
are you going? You woke up? Are you okay, son? What? Where are you going?
I
Mohan,
have
please.
to speak to Gungun.
talk to her later.
Don't
Mohan,
talk to Gungun now.
Mohan, Mohan, my son.
Mohan, listen to me. Mohan.
Mohan.
The picnic didn't happen, but what happened was so interesting.
it would have been interesting if Mohan had died.
This is your family, Mohan. They live off your benevolence and pray for your death only. And you've got blinded by your love for them. And the reason why I left this house. The walls of this house have ears too. So Rahul, don't badmouth the darling son of the family. Let's go. We should go too.
Let's go.
Come on.
Mohan, please wait, Mohan. Listen to me. You have just come around, Mohan. Talk to Gungun after some time, Mohan. Please listen to me. It was a deep wound. You were... Mohan! Please, Mohan. Please try to understand. Listen to me. Don't say anything to Gungun. I have just scolded her.
Why would I scold her, Mom? I will just talk to her. I will ask her if she really wants me to die. Will that make her happy?
Mohan, just listen.
Mother, don't stress yourself out. I will speak to Mohan.
Please.
Yes, Mother.
Gungun?
He won't spare me today. Now, what do I do?
No father can hurt his own child. And Mohan really loves you so much. So nothing will happen. Don't be scared.
Gungun?
Mama. Mama.
No, Mohan. Let it be.
No, Damini. I want to ask her if my death will give her happiness.
What are you saying? Who talks to kids about these things? Gungun is a child.
She made a mistake.
And she didn't know that...
All this would happen.
You are angry right now. If you say anything mean in anger, she will get scared. As it is, every decision that is made in anger is wrong. I don't want you to tell her something that you regret later. Listen to me, Mohan. I agree that it's necessary to make Gungun realize her mistake. But don't do it angrily. Do it with love. Let's go.
Oh Lord Krishna. Sister Damini is so nice. She is like a thread that has kept the family together.
Damini doesn't want to be Gungun's mother. She only wants to be Mohan's wife. She isn't like a thread who will keep this family together. In fact, she's like a knife. And I'm sure that she will separate Mohan and Gungun forever. Radha, Damini is telling him what you told her. Everyone in this family thinks that you are a fool. But actually, you are more sensible than all of them. But you need to open your eyes. Damini is only taking advantage of you.
Thank you for making everything better, Lord Krishna. Today I am very tired. But I promise you that I will make laddus with ghee tomorrow. Okay?
This goodness and innocence of yours is your greatest strength, Radha. But never let it become your weakness ever.
Tell me that you are also angry with me. Do you also think I am responsible for Mohan's wants? The way Grandma scolded me? Aren't you here to scold me too? Oh, no, Gungun. Why would I scold you? You are not at fault. You aren't to blame. You didn't even know all this would happen. But I felt bad. Once again, you hurt your dad. You know he loves you so much, Gungun. But you keep running away from him.
Radha? Will you leave Gungun and me alone for a while? I need to speak to her.
But Sister Damini, I was...
Please, Radha.
I was just telling Gungun that how much her dad loved her.
I can also tell her that. She's my daughter too. Then may I speak to her, please?
Yes.
What are you up to, Damini? Why did you come here? I don't know what Damini is up to now. But she'll certainly do something.
Don't be scared. I'm not here to scold you. In fact, you did very well today. Continue being naughty and rude so that one day everyone gets angry with you, even Mohan. Then no one will care about the fact that you don't want that Mohan and me to get married. And we will get married. And I will become your mom. Understand this, Gungun. You have to live with me in this very house. It's like a prison. If you behave yourself, it will be good for you. And if you don't, you will have to live with this jailer.
Stay away from my daughter, okay? Damini, you don't have to make her a part of your dirty games.
At least until you turn 18 years old. After that, you may run away wherever you want. It will make no difference to me. If anything happens to me, then everyone will blame you for it, okay?
Don't you have any shame, Damini? You are playing mind games with a small child. But try all you want to. But I will never let you become Gungun's mother. Never!
One moment. So first you saved Radha from the goons.
Yes.
Then you got hurt.
Yes.
And then Radha got you home on the cycle rickshaw. In the past, she saved Gungun from her uncle, right?
Yes.
This girl is just amazing. She doesn't come across like that, but she's very courageous.
That's true.
What's this?
They belong to Radha.
So why were they in your pocket?
Actually, when the goons were taking her away,
Yes.
she left behind a trail. Because of it, I was able to reach there.
Wow. She's not just courageous, but also intelligent.
No, man, she's a dimwit. I mean, she is accident-prone, truly, and not intelligent.
But ideally, Damini's earring should have been found in your pocket. But we found Radha's.
What?
Just kidding, buddy. By the way, the girl is quite brave, right? Tell me, Mohan, have you said thank you to her or not? Why? The Mohan Trivedi I knew always appreciated the good work of others. People are right when they say that you have changed.
And Grandma, when the goons took out a knife to stab Mohan, I got petrified.
Mohan is fit and strong. He can take care of himself. You just come back.
No, Grandma. He looks fit and strong. But from the inside... Grandma, today I saw the other side of Mohan. For the first time,
What?
I saw agony in his eyes. I saw a father weakened by the hate of his daughter for him.
Radha, just come back. The family is filled with shrewd people. Both adults and children are like that. Just come back.
Grandma, I thought about coming back. But I can't come back now. The distance between Mohan and Gungun... Mohan won't be happy until that distance fades. I can come back only after he is happy.
Radha, it's not your job to think about Mohan's happiness. He's the father of a child. He can take care of himself.
You are right, Grandma. I saw a defeated father at night who was longing for his daughter's love. How can I turn my back on his troubles, Grandma? And I told you, right, that I owed him. I can't return before repaying his favor. Grandma, please wait. I think there is someone. Mohan? Mohan?
If you want to break something, then break the bond that is budding between Radha and Mohan.
Have you lost your mind? If not for Damini, I would have lost Gungun forever.
If I want, I can throw your moms out of this house, get it?
Don't even touch my mother's photo!
How can you agree to send Gungun to boarding school?